If you haven't turned off the Google AI summary, then probably you've stumbled across the actual results of it, and sometimes they are less than useful. But sometimes they can give you a nice result. So let's start in Illustrator. What I wanted to do is arrange these numbers along this path, but I don't want them rotated. So let's do that. I'm just going to use Objects on Path. Click here. And you see the numbers are rotated. To rotate them back, I have to expand this. So let's go to Expand, like this. And then let's ungroup this. And I'm going to delete the path. So now we have all these numbers. Now it would be nice if you could just select them all and then enter 0 here. But you see it is already 0. But if you select the single numbers, then it's not 0. So I would have to select every one of them and set this to 0, which is quite a lot of work. I don't want to do that. And I thought that there might be a script for that already, but I don't know where to find it. So let's go to Google and enter the search term. So when searching for script, I always start with Adobe Illustrator script and then describe what I want. So I want to set the rotation to 0. Let's just do that. And you see up here in the top, Google actually gives scripts. So it also describes what this script does, so you can see if that makes sense. In some results, it also tells you to be careful with the script, and that is something that you actually should be. So now we can copy this and then go to Text Edit. Now, on Windows, use Notepad. What is important? Let's go to the settings here. This needs to be set to plain text because we cannot have formatting in it. And then just paste this in and then save this. And I'm going to name this like this and just save it. So the next thing, I need to also name this JSX like this, and then let's try it out. So select all of the numbers and then run the script. I haven't installed it because I rarely do that with scripts. So let's go to File, Scripts, Other Script, and then just go here, launch it, and you see we've got them set to 0. Now I'm going to select one of them, and you see also the bounding box is rotated back. Now I have already tried that and got a different script, and that other script did not set the bounding box correctly. So if that is the case, what you still need to do is, select them all and go to Transform and reset the bounding boxes. So that's how you can incorporate Google AI if you need a script. But if your scripts get more complicated, then probably it will be difficult for Google as well. But this one was a simple one.